Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Just going over a review for a Black & Decker flashlight I bought. Cost about 10 bucks. But I absolutely love this thing. For one thing, it is rechargeable. And I've got a cord, I just plug it in and recharge it. And it's got a locking on button, so if you need to be hands free you can, or this thing will light up. What I do with this, I'll cut this on and let the battery die out, then I'll put a good full charge on it. Because a lot of times these batteries, I know the old ones, they would come up and you start developing a half charge if you were charging like that. So I always kill my battery out and then recharge it. And it's got this nice little handle up there, and it's just a nice light. I hate having to change batteries. I hate batteries going into landfills, and I'd rather have a rechargeable light, and this one meets all the criteria because a lot of times I'm inspecting stuff up under houses or around, and I need a good light. And thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.